Ever wondered if there's a magical potion that can transform your hair into a luscious, radiant crown? Well, wonder no more. Welcome to the space where questions meet answers and beauty is redefined. Today, we're delving into the enchanting world of Jamaican black castor oil and the incredible benefits it holds for our precious locks. But before we unveil the secrets, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you won't want to miss what's coming your way. 1. Introduction to Jamaican Black Castor Oil, JBCO. Jamaican Black Castor Oil is more than just a typical hair product, it's a timeless beauty secret that's been cherished for centuries. This magical elixir is derived from the castor bean, and its rich blend of nutrients makes it a true powerhouse for our hair. Packed with vitamin E, Jamaican Black Castor Oil provides essential antioxidants that nourish our hair from root to tip. These antioxidants work like a shield, protecting our locks from damage caused by free radicals and environmental stressors. But that's not all. The oil is also loaded with omega-6 fatty acids, essential for maintaining the strength and vitality of our hair strands. These fatty acids penetrate deep into the hair shaft, ensuring it stays moisturized and resilient. The star ingredient, ricinoleic acid, is a game changer. It boosts blood circulation to the scalp, promoting the growth of healthier, more robust hair. Jamaican Black Castor Oil is like a superhero for your hair. If you're dealing with hair that's getting thin or you want your hair to grow stronger, this oil is your go-to solution. It's not just an ordinary product. It's a special, natural treasure that people have been using for a really long time. Imagine it's packed with goodies like vitamins that act like a shield, protecting your hair from bad stuff in the air. It's got these healthy fats that go deep into your hair and keep it moisturized and strong. And there's this special thing called ricinoleic acid that boosts the blood flow in your scalp, making your hair grow healthier and stronger. 2. Promotes hair growth. Jamaican Black Castor Oil is like a secret potion for growing beautiful, strong hair. The real hero here is something called ricinoleic acid in the oil. This special thing does something fantastic. It improves the blood flow in your scalp, creating a happy environment for your hair. Picture it like a cozy garden where your hair can thrive and grow. Now, why is this so amazing? Well, it's a game changer for anyone dealing with thinning hair. The improved blood circulation encourages the growth of new, healthy strands. It's like waving a magic wand and saying, "Goodbye, thinning hair." And in return, your hair responds with a big hello to a luscious, full mane. In simpler terms, Jamaican Black Castor Oil is like a super boost for your hair, making it grow happily and healthily. It's not just about fixing thin hair. It's about transforming it into a fabulous, flourishing crown of beauty. So, say farewell to hair worries and welcome a vibrant, luscious mane with the magic touch of Jamaican Black Castor Oil. 3. Moisturizes and conditions. Think of Jamaican Black Castor Oil as a super hydrating drink for your hair. It's like giving your thirsty locks a big gulp of water. This magical oil goes deep into your hair, almost like a superhero, and gives it lots and lots of moisture and care. Your hair is like a beautiful garden, and Jamaican Black Castor Oil is the magical water that keeps it thriving and joyful. Just like how a garden needs water to stay lush and happy, your hair craves the nourishment this special oil provides. What's awesome is that this oil doesn't play favorites, whether your hair is curly, straight, or somewhere in the middle. It's like having the best friend that looks out for all types. Imagine it as a unique and caring companion, ensuring your hair stays soft and silky no matter its natural texture. Consider it a special treat for your hair, like giving it a little spa day. This oil works its wonders, making sure your hair remains not only beautiful, but also healthy and content. It's like a secret ingredient in the recipe for happy, vibrant hair, ensuring each strand gets the care it deserves. So, just as you would pamper a garden to see it flourish, treat your hair with the TLC of Jamaican Black Castor Oil for that continuous state of happiness and health. So in simple words, Jamaican Black Castor Oil is the ultimate hydration buddy for your hair. It's not picky, it works wonders for all types of hair, making sure they stay super soft and silky. It's like a little secret for maintaining that fabulous hair of yours. A secret that's as easy as giving your hair a sip of this amazing hydrating potion. 4. Strengthens hair strands. Imagine your hair is like a superhero, and Jamaican black castor oil is its secret power-up. If your hair feels weak and easily breaks, worry not. This magical oil has something called omega-6 fatty acids, which are like tiny superheroes themselves. They work tirelessly to make your hair strong, starting from the roots all the way to the tips. So, it's like putting on a superhero cape for your hair. Less breakage means your hair becomes tougher and more resistant to the daily challenges it faces, like combing, styling, and everything in between. It's like giving your hair a shield to protect against the wear and tear of everyday life. So, just like when you do exercises to make your body stronger, this oil does the same for your hair. It becomes a sidekick that supports your hair in standing tall, facing challenges, and being super resilient. Picture it as your hair's superhero trainer, getting it in shape to handle whatever the world throws its way. In simple words, Jamaican black castor oil is like a best friend for your hair, cheering it on to be the superhero it was always meant to be. Weak and brittle hair? Not with this oil around. It's time for your hair to gear up, get strong, and show the world its superpowers. 5. Treat scalp issues. Having beautiful hair is a bit like building a sturdy tower. It all starts with a strong foundation. In the hair world, that foundation is your scalp, and the healthier it is, the more fabulous your hair can be. Enter Jamaican black castor oil, the superhero for your scalp. Picture your scalp as the superhero's lair, and JBCO as its powerful shield. This magical oil fights off the villains of hair problems, things like fungi and bacteria that can mess with your scalp. It's like having a superhero defender, ensuring your scalp stays in tip-top shape. Now, imagine common scalp issues like dandruff and dryness as the challenges our superhero, JBCO, tackles head-on. The oil's antifungal and antibacterial powers come to the rescue, making it a real pro at fixing these problems. So, when you use JBCO, it's like giving your superhero scalp a massive thank you hug. In simpler terms, think of JBCO as your scalp's guardian angel, keeping it healthy and happy. It fights off the bad guys, solves common scalp issues, and deserves all the gratitude your scalp can give. It's the secret weapon for a scalp and hair duo that's nothing short of fabulous. And that, my fabulous friends, wraps up our journey into the wonders of Jamaican black castor oil. But before we say our goodbyes, I want to hear from you. Have you tried JBCO before? What's your go-to hair care secret? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of hair magic, give it a thumbs up. Let's spread the love for beautiful, healthy hair. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching till the end.